Umugaretio ni andu a nyumba na arata hakuhi. Minista Keda Ero thirikari-ini ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mekinyirie riria marateire nyina igongona-ini riria rikirire kirore kwambotera gwikiro ciao hari uruti wira wa muingi. Nemwe kwa imwe riria mutongoria wa bururi akinyirie gikaro-ini giki umwe thutha wonge marika kuria muhito uria urugamirirwo ni munene wa aruti wira thirikari Joseph Kenywa othe makihite kurutira muingi wira hatari muthutukanio ukorwo na wigiririku wira-ini wao hamwe na magi.
I, Ukuri Athani Kanacho, do swear that I will at all time be faithful to the Republic of Kenya,
that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution,
serve the people and the Republic of Kenya,
and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously.
So help me God.
No na mbere ya manegeretwo federa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta hari ndumiriri yake amaririkania kibarua kinene kiria kiri mbere yao akimera ti kihuthu na iguru ria gwa mahe utaro wa mbere.
That should you at any time, and I say this to you and I say it to those behind me, that should you at any time feel the weight is too much, just say so. Just say so. There are other Kenyans ready to do the job. Sijui kama tumekubaliana wenzangu. Na nasema hivyo kwa heshima kwa kila mtu. Should you? Hamna haja tuendelee. Au ni namna gani? Ndio tuheshimiane.
Kwa hida president akoretwo ari muhari wa mbere gutitirithia wirutiri wake gukinyaniria cioneki ciake cia uthii wa na mbere. Itina-ini riake ria keri ria wathani undu uria titirithitie umuthi akiongerera kuga ihinda ni ikinyu ria kurutira a Kenya wira.
Kenyans expect, and in my second term I have promised they shall receive an open, transparent and accountable government that will be easily accessible, responsive and committed to excellence. And as I have said, it is now business unusual, not business as usual. I trust and indeed I have no reason to doubt that you will match these expectations.
Na kuhinyiriria murugamo wake umwe wa minista Ero ndanagio na ihinda ria kuhuhia thutha wa gwatho aingire ndege-ini mathie Naivasha hamwe na mutongoria wa bururi.
Margaret jipange, ndege iko pale, tunaenda kazi Naivasha. Twende.
Igongona ria umuthi rikinyitie muthia guthondekwo gwa timu ya mwanya iria president erigirire kurutithania wira nayo niguo gukinyaniria ituge cia Kenya cia uthii wa na mbere. Kedaya ni Farida Karoni, Ambassador Monica Juma, Professor Margaret Kobia, John Munyes, Simon Cherugui, Keriako Tobiko, Rashid Mohamed Ukuri Athani na Peter Munya. Kuhitithio kwa minista Ero gwikirite kirore kurikirira kwa uthondeki wa ndudu ya minista thirikari-ini ya president Kenyatta. Na riu hinya wothe ukwerekerio hari gutigirira president ni akinyaniria ituge inya ciake cia uthii wa na mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma State House Nairobi. Jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.